Hey guys, thanks for checking today's video. Today's Thursday, June 6th, 2013. Okay guys, let's get right into this market. Uh, what happened? Oh, sure enough, nailed it again. SPY, all these factors that I mentioned. Check the previous videos. I mentioned it yesterday. That's the reason why I got back on the videos, was just to call that out for you guys. And I hope you guys took that trade. It was a beautiful little sell-off in the morning. Pierced the 50-day moving average, almost into gap fill, and getting a beautiful bounce. I took this, guys, sold some puts outside of that range right here. Sold some 159 puts and 158 puts. Uh, Beautiful profits, guys. Unbelievable stuff, man. Once again, that trend line, 50-day moving average, off this major uptrend since late 2012. It's just a beautiful thing. Measured move off the symmetrical triangle. Oh my God! When you know how to trade like this, just blessing. Just a beautiful thing. Unbelievable. Let's look at the IWM. Pretty much never got there for the IWM, but sure enough, beautiful little update in the markets. Look at the Qs. I believe Qs pretty much hit gap fill. Yeah, right here into gap fill, almost right here, right at the very high. This top gap fill candle. Draw that across. Amazing, guys, how these charts dictate movement in the markets, guys. Just absolutely fantastic. Look at that, huh? Beautiful. And the IYT, I mentioned that we're probably gonna not confirm below the low. Sure enough, reversing right beautifully right here. Still below the 50, so we'll see if we get trade back above that. That'll confirm the move higher. Let's look at Amazon really quick, guys. Just wanted to do a quick update on that fact right there. Still consolidating beautifully right here, guys. This doji could set this up, actually. You know, as long as it stays above these moving averages right here, I'm gonna say this right now. That this is building strength to go higher. I know it's had a great run, but you know, stocks that make a base like this and consolidate for a very long time, it's telling you something. It really is telling you something. So let's see if it can hold this right here, guys. See, it fails to close below this line here every time it goes back above it. So it has time count as well, doji. So hey, this is setting up to go. So let's see how Amazon plays out. Google, I'm sure Google didn't hit that spot. We'll see if it did. Almost went to my level here, but sure, beautiful, nice doji there as well. So that's doji's on the down. A down leg right here, down like a downtrend. Sorry, usually does set up for higher prices. So let's see if this plays out. And like I said, the SPY it's just hit major levels. So uh, let's see if that comes to fruition. Nice reversal bar on pretty great volume, guys. So you have to respect that move. So I do expect a short-term bounce in the near term. I only day traded it, so I will look to get back in as a swing. Any kind of pullback, maybe into a 618 retracement into these moving averages, I will get back in for maybe swing it for a few days. But right now I'm out. But I did sell those puts, so beautiful profits all across the board on that trade. Just an awesome thing. Let's look at Google. It's all going to depend on the jobs number tomorrow, so I didn't want to hold it overnight. So either way, I'm going to wait for a pullback nonetheless and see how that all plays out. Google, I already looked through. Let's look at GLD really fast. Gold is making a nice bullish pattern intraday. Let's see what the daily chart looks like. Still looks like it's bear flag into moving averages. So I would say a good setup right here to short would be any pop into the 50-day moving average declining with a pattern like this. If it keeps developing a pattern here into a 50-day, that could be a nice setup for a short. But right now, nothing really to do here. It's trying to close it back above the 20 and a 10. See, it's sloping up. You're getting a kind of what's it called, golden cross here. So you got to respect that. But if it does set up here and hit the 50-day moving average, sloping down like that with a pattern, a bearish pattern into a 50-day, that's a pretty good setup right there to go short. Maybe for a few days. For a few days swing. Let's look at Apple before I take off. Just do a quick update, guys. Just really excited. Ooh, nice little drop here. It's funny. Apple is just moving inverse to the market. Whenever the market gets a bid, and then Apple drops. But we're still in this pattern. It's still holding the 50-day. So let's see if this could be categorized as an inside bar as well. So just have to see how that plays out. The measured move. Let's see if it roughly would take you roughly in this range here. Just as I'm eyeing below this, this would be pretty much a gap fill as well. The gap fill candle, just the low of it right here. Okay, guys. So let's look at Apple and see, keep an eye on it and see if it can hold above the 50, and still if it can have this pattern play out. But right now, weak showing on Apple right now, closing right at the 50. So let's see how it trades tomorrow. Nothing to do on Apple. It's just my trade of the week was pretty much SPY. I just wanted to mention that again. Beautiful profits there, guys. Unbelievable trade there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take off. I hope this. I want to do a quick update. I'll give you guys a more thorough update on Friday after the bell. Okay, guys, have a good one. Talk to you later.